What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you guys know, I am moving all of my open air rigs to server cases. These are the new ones we just opened up in the last video. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. But today, I want to lay these all on the ground, like right here-ish, and see how freaking dirty they are because I didn't have filters on the crypto mining trailer to begin with. So if you guys are into that, let's do it. All right, so just before we get into opening these up and seeing how absolutely disgusting they are, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the actual crypto mining trailer. As you guys have seen videos on it before, you know that's where these are all going. Now, the issue I have with the new server cases, this handle, okay, I was explaining it in the last video, they mount differently. So you could see it's screwed to the outer edge right here. And these ones on the X12s, the original, they mount to the face. So there's no extra height, and these are 3 feet tall. Now, these cases are also 3 feet tall, but adding that extra little bit right there is not going to allow me to stack the units on top of each other vertically to the top of the trailer. It's going to hit the ceiling. They literally fit exact because the 6x12 trailer, so it's 6 feet tall inside, and literally to the ceiling, it would be 2 of these cases stacked on top of each other. So what I think I'm going to do is take those other X12 cases with the handles like this, and I will probably just offset it a little bit, so I'll slide them forward and have them overhang right here onto the face of this handle. And obviously I'll have to remove the top one anyways to get this down. So I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but what do you guys think? Is that a good idea? I'm just kind of brainstorming. I really don't know. I really like the look of the sideways cases here, but I don't think I'll be able to get enough of the cases like this in the trailer this way. Even if I built shelves, I don't think it would have enough room because left to right with the acoustic foam would really screw me up now. So I think what I'm going to do is just do that, do the offset, pull them forward, and we're gonna have to roll like that. So you guys can let me know in the comments below if that's a good idea. Anyways, enough blabbing. Let's get these things opened up and see how absolutely disgusting they are. All right, so we opened up 2 cases so far. This is the X8 Ultra Plus. Now look at this, right? I looked in here at the CPU cooler. Look at all that pollen in there. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's all right there. Absolutely disgusting. I mean, there's a bunch of dust and stuff inside here. I'm gonna have to take this outside and clean it up. But look at the breakout board. Look at all the pollen. I have to blow out all of these PSUs right here. Man, that's unfortunate. And this is why you need to put filters on your crypto mining sheds, trailers, whatever you guys are using. You have to do it. Look at this. Like, that is awful. Look at how yellow that is. Oh my gosh. So I need to literally clean all these out, and I need to get these shrouds off. I just recently popped out the fans, or not recently, but I popped out the fans when I put this together, and I took off the fans of everything else except for this Founders Edition, and all these cards stay perfectly fine, nice and cool. I put some heat sinks on the back side of my 3080s and 3080 Ti, which is great. They've been working fantastic. This is a 3070 for the Win 3. So these are all working great. I'm super excited about that. This one over here, same thing, bunch of pollen inside of it. This all has to, look at that. Oh my God. That is disgusting. Yeah, that's not good for the rigs. So I need to take these outside. I need to blow them out with a compressor. So I'm going to do them, obviously, one at a time. This is gonna suck. It's gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna open up those ones. We'll check those ones out together too, but let me get these ones sprayed out quick and then we'll go from there. Look at how clean it is now. Literally no yellow pollen in there anymore. This is my Ryobi compressor. I do have this in the Amazon store if you guys are interested. Now, this thing literally was so gross. Look at this one. It's a little dark out. I apologize for that, but dude, look at this, right? I'm gonna blow it out with you guys on camera because I didn't do it with the last one, and I was like, I should have totally shown this. Like, look at how much shit. Like, look at it all. Insane. All right, I gotta turn my compressor back on to finish cleaning it, but I wanted to show you guys literally how much crap came out of here when I started spraying it. And yeah, either way, things need to be clean. You definitely need to make sure you have filters on your stuff. All right, let me get these all cleaned and we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, I decided to cut this video a little short only because that took some time to blow out. Now, these two are clean. I still have those 5 to do. As you guys know, those are all brand new. There's nothing in them, so those are fine. But what I really want to stress here, guys, pollen and stuff like that, getting inside your GPUs, inside the fans, inside the gears, on the motherboard, if they're running with that kind of stuff on there for a long period of time, it will cake up on those components and it will potentially stop your cards from mining or have your equipment, you know, become into a failure state. So please make sure you guys clean your stuff regularly. I recommend every 3 months or so. Now, also, I want to show you guys this right here. This is a water air separator. This, if you're going to be running your rigs immediately after you're cleaning these with an air compressor, you guys should use a water separator. Now, what this does is it traps all the moisture and it allows the air to pass through this fitting. So this is a necessity. I do have this in the Amazon store as well. So if you guys are going to use a compressor, please spend the $20 and get one of these. It's just a good idea so you don't short anything out. But other than that, I think that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I know it's a short one, but I appreciate you all for watching. Please stay safe. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.
The Meter Box. A familiar product to this channel is back with a new lid that finally offers a solution for home miners using a standard 125-volt outlet to measure their power usage in real time. It's available now on their website. Use the link in the description for a discount off your next order. Because of the new lid, they're now running their biggest giveaway yet for the entire month of July, giving away over $7,000 worth of prizes like an iPolo V1 Mini Classic Plus, a 3600-watt X12 OCTOMINER, tons of meter boxes, limited edition NFTs, and a bunch of stuff from GPUrisers.com. Check out their new meter box and enter this amazing giveaway, no purchase necessary. You may also purchase items for additional entries and even better chances to win. The meter box contest is worldwide, extending through the entire month and ending on July 31st. Winners will be announced publicly on August 5th.